It's Tuesday morning, and driving up to Goodwill is the Harris County Department of Education's van with 3 eager students from Academic Behavior School West. 19-year-old Daniel Lopez and his classmates Colin Johnson and Vivian Go step out into a pathway of purpose. Inside, the trio have clothes racks to straighten out and shirts to sort. Daniel, Colin, and Vivian are enrolled in the ABS West Adult Transition Program for students 18 and older. The newly implemented first-year initiative is reshaping expectations and redefining what is possible, with teachers Priscilla Bradshaw and James Anderson.
We want our students to have employability skills. We want our students to also be able to have some type of independent living skills.
They just need an opportunity. You got to see the able and not the label.
We want our students to be seen as people who can contribute to society.
There are many hazards in the workplace. Be sure you are.
We teach the students 3 core, and that's education and training, independence, and employability.
And while gaining job skills, the students learn what it feels like to contribute and develop community connections while not only volunteering at Goodwill, but also at the Houston Food Bank and the Humane Society.
And so we want them to know, hey, you do have students, that are capable of volunteering or working in your establishment. This program actually empowers students, and it also empowers families to see their students outside the limitations that society places on our students.
Daniel was 3 when he was diagnosed with autism, ADHD, and intellectual disabilities. For his family, there were endless worries about an uncertain future, and all that has changed for Daniel's mother, Maria Elena Rivas. ABS West has given her hope.
Veo que cuando él llega, me dice lo que ha aprendido y lo que le están enseñando. Entonces le digo yo a él, pues qué bueno que te gusta lo que te están enseñando. Y ese es el motivo de él que llega bien contento.
Because we didn't believe, that all of this was possible. So we've always wondered, what are we going to do when he gets older? Is he going to graduate high school? What is he going to do past high school? And I think now as he's getting older, I'm glad that we've landed here because we're not as scared to take that next step. Knowing that we have an option, that he has options, and he can be out there working and having his own life like anybody else.
I say Daniel have employability skills that he's learned and gained. Do I see Daniel doing a part-time job? Yes.
I have people who've really taken ownership of ATP with pride. They really value going out and building partnerships in the community, just making sure our kids have the access.
I treat them like I would treat my own children because they have feelings, they have capabilities, they work, and they want to learn. Believe me, they want to learn.
And with the recent opening of the new ABS West Production Lab, students gain a new set of skills working with 3D printers, shredders, customizing t-shirts, and hat designs.
It's really just letting families and students know that there are no limitations. There's nothing but possibilities. So we have to see that at Harris County.